Now, basic operators. So there's a bunch of operators that Python supports, much like many programming languages out there. But some of the common ones include arithmetic operators, comparison, Boolean, also known as logical operators, and assignment operators. Okay, so Python supports a variety of basic operators for performing different operations on variables and constants and other values found in the environment. Okay, so we want to look a little bit deeper into each of these operators because we are going to be utilizing them. And again, the beauty of this course is you need you simply, I mean, having minimal to no programming experience for this kind of course is ideal. I mean, you don't really need to be a master of Python. You don't even need to be a first-time user of Python. If you've never even heard of Python in your life, think of it that way. This course still applies to you because what we're learning to do eventually is to leverage AI to develop Python code for us, right? And as I mentioned in the former lectures, what we want to do is we want to sort of, join the force, this booming force in our 21st century digital AI age where things are going to be automated using AI. We want to stay up to date with the market. We want to stay up to date with the trend, right? Because sure, it is true, AI is going to replace jobs, but it's going to bring in a lot of jobs as well. And you want to make sure that you're within that market space. And learning this kind of content will help guide you towards that direction. And so that's the goal here. So you don't have to be a Python master, let alone even a beginner. If you've never heard of Python in your life, that's absolutely fine. This course applies to you as well. So taking a prompt like this is sufficient, will help you understand some of the basics. So show me Python code with basic operators. For instance, perform addition and check if two values are equal. So what you need to learn to do in this course is how to prompt AI, ChatGPT, or any bot system, bot tool, how to prompt them the right way so you can get your desired Python programming output, right? How to get your code, how to refine it, right? So, but in order to do that, we first have to learn about these fundamentals. So with basic operators, that's a crucial one because basic operators are going to be used throughout this course and in your development in the future, in your AI guided development, or if you want to go and just code Python, even without AI, you still have to know the basic operators. So if we did send that prompt in to AI, it would give you something like this. Here's a basic operators example. X is equal to 10, Y is equal to 5. So we just talked about variables. So those values get stored in each of those variables. So 10 is stored in X, 5 is stored in Y. And now we create another variable called sum underscore result. That in itself is a variable. And that variable is equal to X plus Y. That's a basic arithmetic operation. Again, this is just an introduction, an overview. We're going to get into all of these in much more detail with AI guidance, but just to kind of give you the idea, okay? So X plus Y is equal to sum result. And then here we're doing a comparison. So here we're doing an arithmetic function or operation, you can say. And then here we're doing a sort of comparison operation. Is underscore equal, checking for is X equal to Y. Now, you can see here, this is an equal sign. This is a double equals. We'll talk about that as well. But briefly, this is the assignment operator and this is the equality operator. This assigns this variable to this X equals Y here. And then this double equals is checking for equality. So it's going to give you a logical true false. Is it equal or not? And obviously, you can see here, is X equal to Y? No, it's not. So that would obviously give you a false.